With microbrews now a staple of most bars and a wide selection usually available, it might be handy to know what the difference is between an IPA and a pale ale is, or a pilsner and a lager. There are literally hundreds of different types of beers made to different styles. For this video, we will look at a few of the more well-known ones. So let's dive into the world of beer, starting with pale ales. Pale ales are your classic go-to and most popular with a balance of malt and hops, giving you a smooth, slightly bitter taste. Next up, IPAs or India Pale Ales. IPAs have become very popular over the past few years with beer aficionados. They are bolder, hoppier, and usually higher alcohol content. Perfect for you hopheads out there. Now, what's the deal with pilsners and lagers? Pilsners originated in the Czech Republic and are a type of lager, usually lighter and crisper, while lagers have a smoother, clean finish. Lager is the most consumed type of beer globally. Its light, crisp, and refreshing qualities make it popular and widely accessible, appealing to a broad range of tastes. Porters are dark and rich with flavors like chocolate and coffee, whereas browns are a bit lighter with nutty and caramel notes. They are smooth and less hoppy. Red ales or ambers bring a toasty, slightly sweet profile. These beers are characterized by their reddish amber color and malt-forward flavor. Fruit beers? Exactly what they sound like. Beer with a fruity twist, resulting in a wide range of flavors from sweet to tart, depending on the fruit used. And last but not least, wheat beers. These beers are made with a significant proportion of wheat, giving them a light and refreshing taste with a cloudy appearance. Often have citrus and spice notes, especially in styles like Hefeweizen. So next time you're at the bar, you'll know exactly what to order. Cheers to that.